Go on, Wayne. Rooney! Here we go, let's dive in. That's great. Hello everyone, and welcome back to Food Review Club. We are here in Sheffield. Why are you in Sheffield? Well, my lovely wife used to go to uni and she was showing me her old uni house just up the road. Pan around, please, Jess.
Oi, oi.
Oi, oi. And we came down the road, we've seen this place, Roneys. Looking at it, come this way a little bit, my love. Looking at it from the outside, it looks absolutely amazing, like a real old classic butcher's specialise in hot pork rolls, or as the lady said, a bread cake. What the fuck is a bread cake? And we got other geezers was like, oh, where I live we call them tea cakes. So I've got myself a pork roll, hot pork roll with all the trimmings, stuffing, crackling, applesauce in a bread cake. Let's have a look. This is very exciting. £3 this cost me. £3. And they said this is a legendary sandwich bread cake in Sheffield. Let's have a quick look inside. So I've got some stuffing in there. Got a bit of like stuff on the side. Oh, here we go. Crackling underneath. Textures, flavours. Could be good. For a breakfast roll, I don't think it gets a lot better than this, does it? Here we go.
Is that lunch?
Oh, you could have it for breakfast. Get in the comments, would you have this for breakfast? But anyway, Sheffield, whilst we're here, where must we go and visit? What are the shining lights of your city? Let's go. So, Roneys. Go on, Wayne. Rooney! Here we go, let's dive in. That's great. The pork is really thinly sliced. It's easy to eat. The crackling, oh wow.
That cost you £8 down south.
£3 this was. Yeah. Crackling is beautiful. This is quite a nice experience. A lot of these roast pork places do nice thick chunks of it, which is nice, quite difficult to eat. We've got a strong stuffing flavour. The bread roll, bread cake, really soft, really soft. Probably could have done with a little bit more applesauce for my liking. Bit of sweetness. But all in all, that is a pretty good start to our Sheffield reviews. Now, am I right in thinking with this off? What's that road there called?
Ecky Road.
Ecky Road. Quite a lot of places down there. Please get in the comments and let us know where we should go next. Wonderful texture with the crackling. All right, cool. Pork roll. Wasn't there somewhere else?
Yeah.
With a really good pork roll and
Berres or something?
Berres. Drink watch. Apple juice. Let's kick off in a bit of style. Oh, it's got a lid inside the lid. So this is like student central around here, yeah?
Yes.
Is that right, Jess?
Yes, it's where I used to live.
A lot of students.
Yeah, the whole of that road. There's the campus.
On that road over there, yeah?
Yeah, that road's the campus. And that's
All right, cool. What was the Sheffield food scene like when you were here, Jess?
I used to eat a lot. Not like I do now. More drinking.
Cheesy chips.
Yeah, cheesy chips stuff.
All right, so we're going to go and try and find some of these hot spots and hidden gems. First up, Roneys. Roney roast. Here we go. What a cool looking place. What a cool looking place. I want to give this a score today. I want to give this roast pork roll. That's a strong, got COVID cough. That is a strong 8 out of 10. decent. Value for money, flavour, hot, soft bread cake. And I quite liked it. There you go. And that, ladies and gents, is a review.